my YouTube channel. My name is Rahul Sawan. I am from Dodamarga and we are facing to the big problem that is nothing but the wild elephant are comes in our field and destroying it. That's the reason I made useful system named as the Animal Detection and Alert System for the Forest Department and to the local peoples. Let's see the introduction about the system. This is the push button for the starting the system. When we press this button, that time system will automatically start. There is a camera that detect the elephant. If the elephant intrude into the camera, that time the camera will capture the photo with the help of motion sensor. This is the motion sensor that will detect the motion. If any motion occurs within a coverage, then automatically capture the photo by the camera. This is the ultrasonic sensor that will measure the distance between obstacle and camera. It will show the distance between elephant and camera. Here you can see the buzzer and LED that will sense as the elephant is detected successfully by the system. This is the whole structure of the device, and this device is handled from the forest department through the software that was made by me. Now let's see the software and its working and how we can handle this device from the department. Here you can see my device is connected to this monitor. Okay, here you can see the IP address of the device. Okay, 192.168.1.100. Okay, we just enter this IP address at that place. The IP address is 192.168.1.100. Username is admin. Password is 126. Okay, when we hit the login button, we will go to the dashboard. This is the dashboard of the system. Okay, if you here click the elephant images button, you can see there is nothing. Okay, if you see the raw images button, this field is also empty. Okay, this is the remote command line interface, and if anyone wants to handle the device from the department through the command, that person can use this option. So you delete all raw images in the current devices and delete all images from the jungle devices. Okay, these options for the current devices for deleting the all photos, and these options for deleting the all photos from the jungle devices. If you click this button, okay, you need to select this extension of the images and delete no matching images found, because there are no any images are present. Click on this button, we can delete the images from the jungle devices. The images are successfully deleted. check alert button. This is the alert mechanism. When we clicking on this button, here you can see four buttons. First one is WhatsApp alert, second one is email alert, third one is Telegram alert. Okay, and fourth one is authenticate user's detail. When the elephant is recreated into the camera, that time the message will send to the WhatsApp, email and Telegram to the user, and this button for authenticate the user detail. Here you can see the all users that present in your system. When you click on the show users button, you can see I have two users, Rahul and Sagar, and both are from the Dodamar. Okay, you can select anyone, delete anyone. Okay, if we search here Dodamar, and click on the search button, you can see both options. If I am enter here Rahul and search, okay, you can see these options are present. Okay, insert user detail. If anyone I want to enter new user, okay, Sanket, Savant, Rewai, mobile number. I don't want to upload Aadhaar card. User details saved successfully. Okay, if you see the all users once again and show users, you can see also Sanket. Now I'm going to delete Sanket. Delete. Yes. Okay, user with mobile 123498 deleted successfully. Okay. There are only two users once again. This is the help button that guide us the how we can handle the system. And this is the future functionality button. If user wants to any new functionality, that time we can add that functionality to this button. Okay, if we click on the logout button, we will go to our login page once again. Okay, once again we need to enter here IP address, username and password. We will reach to the dashboard once again. Now let's see the working demo of the project. Let's go. can stop the system. Okay, system is stopping now. Let's see the images from the forest department. Okay, here we need to enter the IP address. The IP address is 192.168.1.100. Username is admin. Password is 126. Then we will reach the dashboard. Okay, this is the dashboard of the system. Okay, when we click on the elephant images, you can see the elephant images that was detected by the system. Okay, this is the first image. This was the second image. There are only two images. You can here also see the time and date. Okay, and this is the raw images. This folder can contain the raw images where elephant is not present. Okay, now you can see images from the command. Sorry, I entered the. Okay, you can see here are two images. There will only 10 raw images, which is captured captured images. Okay, 10 range. Okay, this option for deleting the raw images from the current devices. Okay, if I select png delete images. Okay, are you sure you want to delete the 10 images? Yes, delete. Okay, images are deleted successfully. Now delete all images from the jungle devices. Okay, png delete images. You can see all images will be deleted. Now you can see raw images. There is nothing present. This is for truncating the table. Yes. Okay. Okay, this is the whole system. Okay, if you log out, then you will reach to the login page once again.